स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver. So today in this video we'll talk about the TISNET, that is the Tata Institute of Social Sciences National Entrance Test. And after cracking this exam, what are the courses you can pursue through which campuses? So guys, stay tuned with me. Here we go. So guys, let's talk about the TISNET first. It is conducted by the Tata Institute of Social Sciences. So guys, it is the gateway for around 53 master programs. That means the TIS offers as many as the 53 master degrees program at its all campuses. So guys, what are these courses and through which campus you can pursue it? So let's talk in detail about it. So first campus is Mumbai campus. It is the oldest campus of TIS, which is established in 1936, named as Sir Dorabji Tata Graduate School, which is termed TIS in 1944, and in the 60s it became the deemed university. So guys, here the Mumbai campus is the hub for all the master programs. After cracking your TISNET, you can enter to its various school and the centers, 10 schools and 2 centers, through which you can pursue your post-graduation program. So guys, here are all the courses which are offered through the Mumbai campus only. So here the first one is the School of Education, where you can pursue your Master of Arts in Education. The School of Development Studies, you can pursue a master degree in Development Studies and Women's Studies. The next one is the School for Habitat Study, where you can pursue your Master of Arts or Master of Science in Climate Change and Sustainability Studies, Master of Arts in Regulatory Governance, in Urban Policy and Governance, and the Master degree in Water Policy and Governance. Through School of Health System Studies, you can pursue your Master of Degree in Hospital Administration, Master of Arts in Health Administration, Health Policy, Economics and Finance, and Social Epidemiology. Through the School of Human Ecology, you can pursue the Master degree in Applied Psychology, that is the clinical and the counseling practice. Through the School of Law, you can pursue Master of Law, that is LLM, and through the Center of Library and Information Management, you can pursue a Master of Art in Library and Information Science. The School of Management and Labor Studies offers the various programs like Globalization and Labor, Social Entrepreneurship, Analytics, and guys, here are the 2 courses which are marked red. To get admission in these 2 courses, that is the Human Resource Management and the Labor Relations, and the ODCL, that is Organization Development, Change and Leadership. So to pursue these 2 courses, you have to give TISMAT along with the TISNET, and after that the selection process will be same, that is PIT, pre-interview test and personal interview. So let's talk about other courses. The Media and Culture Studies, and through Jamshedji Tata School of Disaster Studies, you can pursue Master of Arts in Disaster Management. You can pursue PED-MED, that is integrated program for 3 years, and it is offered through the Center for Education, Innovation and Action Research. Next one is the Master of Arts in Education, and the School for Social Work offers around 11 various specialization programs through which you can pursue your Master of Arts in Social Work. Specialization in Children and Families, Community Organization, Disability, Public Health, Mental Health, Criminology and Justice, and others. So guys, aimed on Mumbai campus, here you will get each courses for your post-graduation program. So moving to the next campus, Tulsapur. The campus has only one school, that is the School of Rural Development, and through which you can pursue your Master of Art in Social Work with the specialization in the Development Policy, Planning and the Practice, Sustainable Livelihoods and Natural Resources Governance. The Master of Art in Social Innovation and Entrepreneurship, and in Social Work in Rural Development. So the next campus is Hyderabad campus. It has 4 different schools through which you can pursue your master program. The first school is the Azim Premji School of Education, which offers the Master of Arts in the Education. From the School of Public Policy and Governance, you can get the specialization in it. Through the School of Livelihood and Development Studies, you can pursue the Development Studies, Master degree in Natural Resource and Governance, and the Master degree in Rural Development and Governance. The 4th school is the School for Gender Studies, and through which you can get the master program in Women's Studies. So next campus is the Guwahati campus, which is located in northeast of India, that is in Assam. The campus includes 2 schools, namely the School of Social Work, and the second one is the School for Social Science and Humanities. So through the School of Social Work, you can pursue your Master of Arts in Community Organization and the Development Practices, Master of Arts in Counseling, Master degree in Livelihoods and Social Entrepreneurship and Public Health. And through the School of Social Science and Humanities, you can pursue Ecology, Environment and Sustainable Development, Master of Arts in Labor Studies and Social Protection, Peace and Conflict Studies, Sociology and Social Anthropology. These are the major campuses. So these 4 are the best preferences for your selection process after cracking your TISNET. So moving further, the next one is the Chennai based Chennai Banyan campus. So guys, this campus also known as Chennai BALM, that is nothing but the Banyan Academy of Leadership in Mental Health. And here it has the collaboration with the Chennai based NGO, where you can pursue your master degree in applied psychology, that is in clinical and the counseling practice, and the master degree in mental health. So guys, this is all from the today's video, all the courses and the campuses. After cracking TISNET, this video will be very helpful for your further process. And if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me in the below comment section. So guys, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates regarding the TISNET. And to crack TISNET, join our online program where you will get books, mock tests, sectional and full course as well. You can attend our live lectures also. So visit at manovaedu.com. So guys, this link I also mentioned in description. So kindly check the description. And for online program, you can call us on 8828581455. If you are Mumbai based, you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. Thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.